Hi everyone, welcome to Dama Feed. My name is Alan, and I'm very excited to unbox and review the Zoomadanke Ruby Red from Mugen Musou. Now today's video will be a quick unboxing and a quick review. After some play, we will have a more in-depth review about it later. And as you can see, I have already removed it from the packaging. And inside the packaging, we have a very nice envelope with the invoice, as well as a few Gloken stickers. Let's get started. And the box itself is very nice. And in the back, we can see that I got number 496. I will open it now. This is a tight box. In the front, we have a user guide. And here it is. In the box, we have a tip replacement as well as an extra string. And I think you guys all heard that. That was the paint touching the side of the box that made this squeak. The paint is glossy, but is very tacky. I am incredibly impressed. Let's hear what it sounds like against the wood. From that sound, I'm sure we all know this is a very sticky tama. Now, let's check the lunar balance out of the box. Out of the box, it has a very good lunar balance. Next thing, let's check the weights. The weight of the tama. Around 67? 69. Oh, 69.8. Sorry, that was upside down, guys. And the ken, 75.2. Thank you, everyone. This concludes the quick review of these Mugen Musou Zoomadanke Ruby Red.